So, pupunta na kami dito. Pagod na kami. So, pasok na kami sa hotel. Ano to? Hotel Chateau Lorraine. Dito kami mag-i-stay. Ayan, dalawa. Say hi! So, may butik sila dito. So, mayroon silang ano dito, dining. Kaya may coffee doon. May ka-join? Coffee doon. Coffee. Victoria, say hi to mommy. Hey. Say hi to mommy here. Ito anak ko. Ayaw niya ipakita yung maganda niyang mukha. So, pasok na tayo. I like their paintings here. Look. Yung roof. So, akit na kami sa aming room. Ayan. Ang daming aisle na pwedeng lakarin bago kami makapasok sa room namin. So ito yung pang mga area ito. Ay, meron pang dito foyers deep planes. Anong ibig sabihin yan? Displays daw. Yeah, dito na tayo. Okay, akit na tayo sa elevator.
Ano nga po?
4, yeah. 4th floor. Ayan.
Yan, zero numberan for...
410. Ay, 2. 410 yata. Yeah. Yeah. 410. Okay, dito kami.
Fine.
Yan. Dito yung room namin. Okay. Okay, so dito kami sa lobby. Antayin namin sila uncle doon dito. Mag-shower tayo mamaya. So, dito kami nag-stay. Tignan nyo naman, ang ganda naman dito. Okay, so dito kami mag-stay dito. So, this lobby. Oh, I like this. Look at this. This is beautiful. Painting. So, dito kami hintayin sila. Yeah. Dito kami. Dito kami dito. Teka. So, sit down kami dito. Para makita tayo. Okay, so dito kami. Parating lang namin dito at nakapag-rest kami konti dito sa hotel na pag-stayhan namin. Tapos punta kami mag-dinner. Early dinner kami para makapagpahinga kami kasi ang layo yung binahe namin, like almost 7 hours. Buti na lang dire-diretso ang namin, ang biyahe namin. Nag-stop lang kami once, nag-washroom. So ngayon dito na kami sa Quebec City at buti na lang at nakapag nag-check-in kami ng maaga dito sa Chateau Hotel. So, ang daming tao nagbo-booking. Okay. So, see you later sa aming dinner, everyone. Bye. Okay, order muna tayo. Ito ang aking vlogs dito sa Quebec City. My daughter, my niece, and my husband. So, we are in Quebec City. Dito na kami kumain para hindi na kami maghanap ng mga restaurant. Pero okay naman yung mga menu nila. Chinik namin muna bago kami. Pero okay naman. Siguro next time we try namin sa iba. Pero so far okay naman yung ano nila. Okay naman yung mga menu nila dito.
Well, it's 4:30 now.
Well, what time is it in the Philippines?
Same thing but at night. Hi.
That's good. It's not really hot. It's not really humid.
No, perfect weather. We just got
Yeah.
it warmed up enough to make it nice, but not nasty. Like a couple weeks ago, it was probably sweltering here, like 30s and 35, 40. You know? But there's a chunk of people that would love 35 and 40 to come out when it's just stinky,
I don't understand.
hot, you know, wearing nothing in
I don't
there.
understand people who voluntarily come out when it's like when their little face is nothing else. It's like, thank you.
I feel I should have drank some water.
Sorry?
I feel I should have drank some water. I'm not part of the team. I will. I'll do better. I swear to God. Yeah, no, there's people who come up. I don't know so much about. I'm sure it's the same as Montreal, but in Montreal,
Nice.
good.
Ito yung food ko.
Is that actually good though? Good, dude. Can you taste the anchovy?
Hindi may ka.
Sure. A real. Not a lot. Not swim around. Just a little bit of the flavor.
I don't care. I never tried anchovies, so I don't know if I'm tasting it. But there's bacon in it.
Masarap. Salad. Medyo malakas yung music dyan, kaya nag-voice over ako. So, ito yung in-order ko. Ang aking lunch ay tartar salmon. Masarap po ito. Parang kilawin lang siya. At ito naman yung asawa ko at uminom siya din ng beer.